how to use Jumia Pay Later for installment payments. Now here's how to do it. First of all, you just need to browse and add an item. At checkout, just select the buy now or buy now pay later option. Sometimes shown as pay with easy buy or pay with credit power or pay with clump, depending on what's live on for your account. You'll be redirected to complete an approval process with the partner, typically requiring your BVN bank details and sometimes an income/employment check. If approved, you see your installment plan, usually deposit upfront, then the rest split into fixed monthly payments over a set period. Confirm and complete your order. The item ships once your deposit and approval go through. Now here's the thing, approval is not guaranteed. It depends on the partner's credit assessment of you. They aren't interest free by default, though some promos offer 0% interest window. You just need to check the terms at checkout carefully. If you return an item bought this way, you usually don't get a cash refund. Instead, credits are applied towards another purchase or added to your wallet with that provider. Hope you find this video helpful.